So students, today we are studying about LCM. L stand for least. Least means smallest. C stand for common. Common means same in many places. Like you can see in your class, you all are wearing the same same school uniform. So the school uniform is common for you all. And multiples, in previous chapter we have already done the multiples, how to find out the multiples. And the simple language, I told you that multiple comes from the table. Now what is a common multiple? First understand what is common multiple. If a number is a multiple of two or more numbers, it is called a common multiple of the numbers. Like understand it by the example, 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 fives are 15 and 5 into 3 equal to 15. So 15 is a common multiple of 3 and 5. Now what is the least common multiple? The smallest multiple other than 0, that is a multiple of 2 or more counting numbers, is the least common multiple or LCM of these numbers. It means when we are finding out the common multiples, out of that common multiples, the smallest common multiple is called LCM. Now understand it by the example. I have set one example for you all. Find the LCM of 12, 14 and 20. So the first step, write the given number in the horizontal line, separating them by the commas as I have done. I have written here 12, then 14, then 20, and in between I have written commas. Now the second, divide them by the suitable smallest prime number, which is exactly divide at least one of the given number. So what is the smallest prime number? 2. So we have to see either we can divide these numbers by 2 or not. Yes, we can divide 12 by 2. We can divide 14 also by 2. We can divide 20 also by 2. So in front of these all, this side I have written 2 because I am dividing all the numbers by 2. When I am dividing this 12 by 2, I am getting answer 6. That answer we are writing in the next line. 2 6 are 12, the quotient which we are getting. 2 6 are 12, so second line I have written 6. Then 14 I am dividing by 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. Second line I have written. Then 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10. That is also written in second line. Now we have the numbers 6, 7 and 10. Out of these three numbers, again we can divide by two numbers, 6 and 10. Both the numbers I can divide by 2. So again I'll repeat the division by 2. So I have written 2 in front of the second line. Now I am dividing the 6 by 2 and answer I am getting 3. 2 3s are 6. The quotient is 3. I have written 3 here. 7 is not divisible by 2. So 7 is not divisible by 2. So 7 will come as it is in the next row. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. So answer I have written 5 in third row. Now we have three numbers again, 3, 7 and 5. 3, 7 and 5. Out of these three numbers, any of the number is not divisible by 2. So we'll go to the next prime number. After 2, what comes? 3. 3 is the next prime number. So 3, 7 and 5, we can divide 3 by 3. So I'm writing 3 in front of the third row. 3 ones are 3. So 1 I have written in next line. 7 divided by 3, it's not possible. So 7 will come as it is in the next line. And 5 is also as it is in the next line because 5 is also not divisible by 3. Now we have three number 1, 7 and 5. So after 3, because 1, 7 and 5, any of the number we can't divide by 3. After 3, the next prime number is 5. So 5 we can divide by 5. So at the fourth row I have written 5 in front of all these numbers. 1 will be as it is in the next line. 7 we can't divide by 5, so 7 will be as it is in the next line. 5 divided by 5, so answer is 1. Now we have 1, 7 and 1. After 5, the next prime number is 7. So we are dividing 7 by 7. We got in the last line we got 1, 1, 1. So we have to divide. Till then we are not getting 1, 1, 1 at the last line. So division is over. Now how to find out the LCM? See, we got the prime factors here. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5 into 7. These all numbers we are multiplying here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So we'll read the table. 2 2s are 4. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 67s are 420. So the least common multiple of 12, 14 and 20 is 420. This is the answer. I hope you all understand LCM. Thank you.